time now to focus on the future. As you prepare to take the next step, here's the latest Leaders in the Making from Lawrence Technological University.
The disaster that ultimately became a catastrophic oil spill in the Gulf is one that is not only horrifying, but screams for engineering solutions, exactly what many who graduate from Lawrence Tech will make their life's work. Part of what an engineer does is problem solve by testing for worst-case scenarios prior to a project's construction, something that wasn't done on the Deepwater horizon.
To actually see how it would react, and then from there an engineer would look at the valves, test all the extremes, test all the possibilities, and from there analyze what went wrong and exactly how they could possibly fix it.
The environmental impact of all that oil in our waters will be felt perhaps for decades. Students of the life sciences need to understand there must be cooperation in concert to solve these incredible challenges. There are lots of ideas out there. It's a good debate.
And I've seen sawdust, kitty litter, other things. But I saw a man that put a bale of hay into the water and it just acted like a sponge, soaked up the oil, and then you just have that bale. You can dispose of it easily. I know that that's not going to be an answer on a large scale for the whole Gulf. But as far as, some of the beach lines, the hay is a renewable resource.
We talked about using that as a way to try and get students to think about how the basic knowledge that they're learning in biology and chemistry can really be applied in an everyday problem.
From a biology perspective, new research called microprospecting is showing that marine plants and microorganisms can contribute to breakthroughs in medicine. Should the oil wipe out these delicate ecosystems? In the meantime, the oil continues to gush and the conversation continues.
Having the students that have already seen that, have seen the impact that they can have seen the positive impact that they can make on the lives of themselves, their communities, even the world, is, I think, a really a great thing to have them thinking about science, life sciences, all those areas.
Experience everything Lawrence Technological University has to offer at ltu.edu and find out what we mean when we say Leaders in the Making.